Attention. Race number 1 will start in less than 4 minutes.
Monster truck, no excuses this time, guys. Get them ready. Right now, now. Get them ready. All right, drivers, time 16, 10 laps together.
One last time. 11 to go. Car number 3 is running in third speed line. Car number 2 is running in second at the end. And the car number 1 is running in third.
Right at the halfway point right here. Johnny Helms, your leader.
Attention. 9 laps down. And 6 to go. Eric Madden, the car number 1 is running in first. Johnny Helms, the car number 3 is running in second. David White, the car number 2 is running in third.
All right, 11 of 15. Eric Madden, your leader. Johnny Helms right there with him. Take the line. Running third. White flag lap out from Eric Madden, your leader. Eric's going to put on a air show drill here in a little while.
Eric Madden, number 10. David White, number 10.